Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So this is tutorial chapter 4. Okay, when I did discuss chapter 4, remember we discussed about market failure and also market failure that caused by the externalities and also asymmetric information. If you remember about externalities, I did mention about positive externalities and also negative externalities. What does it mean, negative externalities? What that incur cost, and also positive externalities that incur the benefit. Alright, and asymmetric information that is insider. Okay, insider informations or private information that you have that other people do not have. Alright, okay, now take a look on this. Alright, discussion question number 7. Because medical records are private, individual applying for health insurance, okay, individual health insurance will know more about their own health conditions than will the insurance companies to which they are applying for coverage. Is this information asymmetry likely to increase or decrease the premium? Alright, so the answer is this information asymmetry will likely increase, okay, will likely increase the insurance premium. Okay, will likely increase the insurance premium. Why? Because the buyer of the insurance policy have more information about their health status than the seller. Alright, and because of this asymmetric information problem, insurance companies will likely suffer losses if they charge an insurance premium based on the coverage of average health of population. Alright, only the unhealthy will purchase coverage at this average price, and these potential losses will force insurance companies to charge a higher premium. Alright, okay, now we move to the discussion questions number 9. Alright, which of the followings are moral hazard? Which are the adverse selection problem? Okay, listen here. A person with a terminal illness buys several life insurance policies through the mail. Okay, through the mail. Meaning that here the key is here, buy several life. Okay, if they buy several life, meaning that they have the selection. So this one is the adverse selection problem. Alright. A person drives carelessly because she has automotive insurance. So this is moral hazard. It incurs negative impact to others. Moral hazard. A person who intends to torch his warehouse take out a large fire insurance policy. Okay, because they have option here. So we estimate it as ASP as well, adverse selection problem. And a professional athlete who has guaranteed contract fail to stay in shape during the off session. So this is moral hazard. It causes negative impact toward the self. And a person who anticipate having a large family takes a job with a firm that offer exceptional child care the benefit. So this is the ASP. Alright. Okay, then this review question number 2. Assume that candle wax is traded in a perfectly competitive market in which demand curve capture buyer full willingness, okay, buyer full willingness to pay while the supply curve reflect all the production curve. Okay, so meaning that demand supply, okay, here. Alright, so the demand from the buyer, they have a full willingness to pay, okay, and supply at most minimum willing to produce. Alright, and the minimum production cost for each of the following situation indicate whether the total outputs should be increased, decreased, or remain the same. Alright, keep the same in order to achieve allocative and also productive efficiency. Alright, now here we take a look at the maximum willingness to pay exceed minimum acceptable price. Okay, maximum willingness to pay, the customer willingness to pay exceed the minimum acceptable price. Okay, so the output should be increased or decreased. The maximum willingness to pay exceed the minimum acceptable should be increased because the customer willingness to pay at, for example here at 12, but minimum acceptable price is only at 8. So they are making profit here. 12 minus 8 will be here consumer surplus at 4. Okay, 12 minus 8, we got 4. So we should increase the output. Okay, we should increase the output. Alright. Marginal cost more than marginal benefit. I believe that everyone can answer this. Cost more than benefit. Do you expect to produce more or you will decrease the production? Of course, right? We will decrease the production. We'll decrease the production because the cost is more than benefit that you receive. Okay, total surplus is at a maximum. Okay, total surplus, what does it mean by total surplus? Meaning that consumer surplus plus producer surplus equal to total surplus. Total surplus is already at maximum. So meaning that we'll keep the same lah. We'll keep the same. Alright, we keep the same. Alright, because it's already achieved the maximum. Alright. Okay, now the current quantity produced exceed the market equilibrium quantity. Market equilibrium quantity may be at Q equal to 10. Okay, the current we produce Q equal to 12. Okay, so we should decrease. Okay, we should decrease. We should decrease the productions of the wax. Why? If we keep on producing more, the price of the wax might be decreased. When price decrease, what happened to producer? Producer we incur loss. Alright. So that's all for this chapter 4 tutorial. Anything that you do not know, do not understand, we will discuss in our class. Alright. So thank you.